the movie Jat is a must watch for all those who have the hunger for violence. It's too much of violence is there in the movie. It's Sunny Deol after all, and it's about Jaffna, LTTE, the Tamilians, those. Uh, it's actually shot in the Jaffna Peninsula, and there's two factions. One is Sunny Deol is the most powerful one. He has the power of like 100,000 people, and especially his arms and the famous dialogue which he keeps saying in most of the movies. And the funniest dialogue, hilarious dialogue, what he says is, "My power has been seen by North, my arm power. Now it's time for me to show my arm power to South." So, and then there's a guy who just cuts everyone's head straight away in 2 seconds, and it's so threatening. You'll feel as if your hair will stand on end when you actually witness these kind of scenes. And his protege, and he has lots of people. He's the mostly kind of boss. And the second dialogue which Sunny Deol is repeatedly saying in this movie is, "I was having hot idlis and these hooligans came and they attacked and my idli fell on the ground." 5 times, almost like 3 to 4 times he has repeated this dialogue, and then he says that now you need to say sorry to me, you need to apologize. And Randeep Hooda is the other man, is the most notorious man. He is the killer. He kills thousands of peoples, lakhs of peoples. He has that killer instinct. Mercilessly he kills, and he just chops their head off. And there's no one who can actually challenge him. So Sunny Deol comes to the forefront, and he's the one who is instrumental in defeating him. But in one instance, I thought that his name is Kunta. I thought that he got scared. Randeep got scared of Sunny Deol, because before Sunny Deol made his entry, he was quite more violent, and he had more power. But once Sunny Deol enters his territory, he just retreats back. I feel that violence thing doesn't exist after. Maybe it's wrong. Maybe my observation may be wrong. Whatever. And even Randeep's wife, she's a new female. I haven't seen her in another maybe South movie. She has enacted the role quite well. Zarina Bahar is looking dilapidated. She looks very old in this movie. And otherwise, this movie is mostly like two factions killing each other, Jaffna and all that. And ultimately, he's the winner. He was in force actually. He was in army, and he was well known for his prowess. So it's a good, and yeah, there's always Anupam Kher's daughter is also there in this movie, Kyra Kher, and she's a cop along with others. They were attacked by this hooligan gang, the Randeep's gang, and they were raped, and their clothes were torn apart. So he makes an entry, Sunny Deol, and he said, "Respect the ladies." So this is also quite famous in the movie. Otherwise, movie is too much of violence. If you love violence, you will like it, and you will, of course, love it. But of course, few of the dialogue, that Idli one and all, is quite hilarious. So must watch. 4 stars.